pinakamalaking sakit sa puso, kung saan nabasag ang puso ni Jose Rizal, kay Leonor Rivera, doon sa relasyon na yun. Kasi talagang ayaw niyang umalis, kung napansin mo, ayaw niyang umalis. Kaya may question siya, paano si Leonor? Diba? Sagot ng kanyang kapatid, sarili mo lang ba iisipin mo? Kasi talagang love niya eh. Tapos biglang aalis siya ng malayo, Europa, di ba? So masakit talaga sa kanya. Pinakamabigat, pinakamatinding broken heart sa kanya.
Isa ding masakit na fact, Leonor Rivera died 2 years after Rizal, after she got married. No, kasi she died during childbirth. No, meron siya 2 anak, the Keepings. Their house is still existing in Tarlac. It was a museum. Pero umalis na yata lahat ng mga descendants. The house is still there, but I don't know what's going to happen kasi the Tarlac Provincial Council wants to preserve it pa. No? Kaya lang, yung masakit doon, hindi na nagtagal. Ironically, Leonor Rivera died 2 years after she got married. Her husband died the year after Rizal died. So bali wala talagang natira doon sa family niya, except for the children.